Hello students, so here we have these 5 records in our employee table that is given in our exercise. Here this is our employee table having 5 records, and we have inserted these 5 records in our MySQL database MyDB2 and the table name EMP. Now we need to perform all these following queries. The first query is display the names of all employees in the organization. So to display names only, we will use select command, select EMP name from table name EMP, and here we have all the employees name from this organization. So this first query is select EMP name from table name EMP. Next query is display the names and salary of employees in this organization. So we need to display 2 columns from this table. First one is employee name and the second one is salary. So select will be used here, select EMP name comma salary from EMP. So name and salary will be displayed here. So as we know, to display a particular column, we will specify that column name, and from clause will actually having the name of that table from which these columns value will be displayed. Next query is display the names of all employees from history department. So here we are restricted to display only names of employee having department as history. So in this table you can see Sharmila is having history department and Rakesh is having history department. No other employee is having department as history. So we need to display only these 2 records using our SQL query. So here we will use select with where, as I have as we learned in our previous video that how to use select with where clause. So here select e name means employee name from table name EMP, and now we will restrict our list of employees up to only history department, and therefore we need to use where clause here. So where department is equal to history. What's the problem here? Select EMP name from EMP where department is equal to history. Actually the problem is that since we are using only one column, therefore this comma should not be here, so it should be replaced, or it should be removed from here, then our query will be executed. So again I repeat, select EMP name, comma will not be used here since it's the only column here, from EMP where department is equal to history, and here we get the result Sharmila and Rakesh. These only 2 employees having history department. So in this way, using where clause, we can restrict our answer to a particular rows or particular field value. Next one is add a new record inside our table having employee ID as 106, name of employee as Suresh, department is computer, and salary as 15,000. So we will use here insert into command to insert a new record. So insert into EMP values 106 for employee ID and name Suresh, and then department as computer, and then salary as 15,000, and here a new record is inserted. So this 4th query is also completed. The 5th one is change salary of Jugal to 35,000. Dear students, it's a very important part of this exercise. As we know that salary of Jugal is already 12,000. Salary of Jugal is 12,000, and now this salary need to be updated to 35,000, as it's given that change the salary of Jugal to 35,000. So existing salary of Jugal is 12,000, and now we need to update the salary from 12,000 to 35,000. So in order to change this salary to 35,000, we need to use update table command. So we will learn about it in detail in next video, but for now I'm just providing this query like update EMP set salary is equal to 35,000, where EMP name is, or EMP ID you can use, EMP ID is equal to 101. 101 is EMP ID of Jugal. So here we know that employee ID 101 is for Jugal. So for 101 ID, salary will be now updated to 35,000 in EMP table. So as I press enter, salary is being changed or updated from 12,000 to 35,000 only for employee having employee ID that is equal to 101, and we know that Jugal's employee ID is 101, therefore salary of Jugal is updated from 12,000 to 35,000. So now to see the the result of our update command, we will again display entire table records using select star from EMP command, and here we have all these commands having one newly added command called newly added record of Suresh, and this updated record with Jugal 101 computer and 35,000. So here you can see that earlier it was 12,000 and now it's 35,000. In this way we can perform these following queries of question 1 of exercise 1. Thank you.